In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Tableau Public. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that allows you to transform raw data into insightful and easy to understand visual representations. Today, we're going to walk through a simple process to get you started with your data journey in just a few minutes. First things first, let's begin by launching the Tableau desktop application on your computer. Once you have Tableau open, you'll notice the start page is divided into different sections where you can connect to various data sources. The beauty of Tableau is its ability to integrate seamlessly with many types of files and databases, and today we're focusing on a CSV file. On the left-hand side of your Tableau workspace, you'll find a panel labeled Connect. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of data sources. Under this panel, look for the section called To a File. This is where you'll find options for connecting to different file types that you have saved on your computer. Once you've located To a File, your next step is to select Text File. In Tableau, CSV files are recognized as text files, which means this is the right gateway for importing your data. After selecting Text File, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to navigate through your directories to find the right file. Now use this dialog box to navigate to the location of your CSV file. Here's a quick tip. If your files are named quite similarly, hover over them to ensure you've got the one you want. When you're confident you've located the right CSV file, select it and then click on the Open button to bring your data into Tableau. When you do this, the next thing you'll see is Tableau displaying the data source page. This page provides a preview of your CSV data, allowing you to see clearly how your data is structured. This preview is really useful if you have multiple columns and rows, as it gives you an immediate sense of your data's format before you even start analyzing it. At this point, you have the opportunity to tidy up a bit. If you wish, you can rename your data source. This is especially helpful if you prefer descriptive titles that will make your workflow smoother and more organized as you advance with your visual analysis. You're almost ready to dive into your data visualizations. Just click on a Sheet tab and you'll be taken to the part of Tableau where you can begin analyzing your data and creating visualizations. This is where your creativity and analytical skills come into play. And that's it, you've successfully imported a CSV file into Tableau Public. Now, you're all set to start exploring your data, creating visually appealing charts, and uncovering insights that can inform your decisions and enhance your presentations. Thank you for watching, and happy data exploring.